Hi, welcome to my channel. Apple's iPhone 14 Pro is set to be the phone that could shake up the iPhone range by potentially bringing in a notably different design from the iPhone 13 Pro. If true, the iPhone 14 Pro would start at $1,099, which is a $100 hike over the $999 iPhone 13 Pro. The new phones are also rumored to be 0.2mm thicker than the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro sports a 6.7-inch OLED display with 1284x2778 pixels resolution. The display panel has an oleophobic coating, and it can even stream HDR10+ content. Like the other iPhone 14 models, the iPhone 14 Pro runs on iOS 14 version out of the box. The smartphone is powered by Apple's in-house A14 Bionic chipset that is paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The iPhone 14 Pro model features a triple rear camera that consists of a 13-megapixel primary sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 13-megapixel telephoto sensor. For selfies and video calling, the phone comes equipped with a 13-megapixel camera unit that insides the wide notch. The Apple iPhone 14 Pro is backed by a 3945 mAh battery. The phone can be fast charged with wired charging, and it even also supports wireless charging. It is expected to launch on 8 September 2022. So are you excited about this smartphone? With this I am signing off. Thanks.